welcome! Today I'm going to be showing you the very easy way on how to make a mask without needle, thread, sewing machine, even elastic band. All you need to have is this one. Now I'm sure most of you out there have this kind of material for shirt. And this shirt is made of 60% cotton and 40% polyester. Now this is going to give us a mask like this. No elastic band needed, no sewing machine or needles or thread needed. It's just this material and some scissors. Let's do it. Now, I've already cut. So I have cut my material already, and I doubled it. So, and then fold it in half. Now, the easy way to measure to get the right fitting for your face is just to measure from up here to down here, and then from right to the side and up to the side. So what I did is I cut it and then I try to measure it like from up there to down here. Okay? And then from this side to this side. Okay? Now the reason why we have it doubled is because later on we're gonna put some extra material in between this for an extra filter. It's either you can put extra material like this, or you can use a facial tissue. So let's begin cutting. So as you can see, it's doubled, and all you have to do is cut a good side here and right here, but this one needs to be a little bit angled that way because this is going to the angle of your nose right going there, down there. So make sure that your fold is okay. Fold it again, and then cut it that way. Okay, now we can cut it that way. Cut it also that way. Not that much. It's just so there's like there. Or you can put this one that way to have a good direction for your scissors. Just secure that side if you have this safety needle. And let's cut it. And then cut it. Okay, let's do the other side. Great. Here we go. So now, here we go. Let's try it on. Sewn it. Let's try it on. Now let's put some filter. You can either put another piece of material here, 100% cotton here, or just the regular base tissue. It's just right in. And let's try it again. There we go. I hope you learned from my tutorial today, and I will teach you some other stuff. Until next time, thank you and bye!